Hello everyone, this is MB Kitchenette and welcome to my channel. MB Kitchenette, a place where you can find easy, quick, and healthy home-cooked recipe. To all my followers, thank you for being here and with your continued supports on my channel. And to those who are new here, welcome to my channel, and I do hope you enjoy and learn from this recipe. Today I will share another easy, quick recipe which is fried rice with meatballs. To begin, we have a bowl of leftover rice. 20 grams of minced pork seasoned with salt, pepper, garlic powder, vegetable flavor, coriander, nutmeg, basil, oregano, oyster sauce, and then mix well. After mixing, set it aside. Chopped or mince 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. Write in the comment the country where you are watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be always notified and updated for the upcoming video. Have a few slices from a cabbage which is cut into strips. This recipe is made for a single serving. If you need to serve more, then adjust the recipe. Slice 1 piece of chili. Your feedback help us grow. Write in the comment your views. Remove the roots and the other end of the spring onion and then chop as finely. I hope you can still follow the recipe. Chop it as fine as you can. Spring onion is always good in garnishing any kind of food, and bring extra kick to the food because of its unique smells and taste. Now we have prepared all the ingredients, we can start cooking. In a heated pan with cooking oil, put the minced pork, by forming it into a mini ball, by scoping a little amount from the minced pork. It must not be a perfect round. Once they turn into a golden brown, remove them from the pan and set them aside. From the same pan, let's saute the garlic. Continue on cooking until the aroma comes out. Then add the chili and the bowl of rice. Continue on mixing, then add the seasoning. Add a pinch of salt and pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce. Let's mix well all the ingredients. If you're looking for other fried rice recipe, then check my other video. I have shared different kinds of fried rice recipe from veggies, seafoods, eggs, and other for you to choose. Now add the cabbage and half from the spring onion. Continue on mixing for 30 seconds, then add the meatballs. So now you don't need to go to an Asian restaurant because you can now do your own fried rice. Enjoy eating it while you are watching on your favorite night show. Let's do it this way. This coming weekend, prepare your own fried rice then. Write in the comment what is its taste. I hope you enjoy and learn today's recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be always updated. And share this video to your friends and families. Have a happy, healthy meal.